How to change a Corflo PEG Y-adaptor. You will need a new Corflo PEG Y-adapter, the same size as the current tube. Step 1. Clamp the tube to prevent stomach contents from spilling out. Step 2. Untwist the skirt from the Y-adapter. Step 3. Remove the Y-adapter from the tube. You may change the skirt at the same time, but it is not necessary. Step 4. Clean the end of the tube. Step 5. Replace the skirt. Make sure the narrow end is closest to the clamp. Step 6. Insert a new Y-adapter into the tube. Step 7. Twist the skirt onto the new Y-adapter until tight.